We're back with Andre, so we just have our Nick set on 0. We're going to play some real quick catch-up with these, so Garth, you better start working with Dogtra at home, because we're going to get these off-leash here, and this one might be available, but I don't know, I kind of like this dog for me. This is as pretty of a dog as I've ever had. Alright, so I want to start incorporating my pager. Andre! In the mindset I didn't even have to do it. I want to do the paper. So anytime there's even really start to be Andre, any pressure on the leash right there. I started doing the pager before he got to the end. So by the time he got to the end, Andre, he's already learning to give into the pressure. And he doesn't know heel or anything, but I'm just going to give him, Andre, I'm just going to give him the treat right there, so there's no reason for him to go anywhere else. Oh, he's a slow eater. Just did short sessions like this, Andre. Even 5 minutes a day for 2 weeks, I want these people that say, oh, I don't have time. Andre. So we've always tried to buffer that turn right there. So you see he doesn't have, he really doesn't have an overt reaction to the pager because he's not been jerked or anything. It's more kind of just guiding him. But it's good to have the distraction right there in the beginning because I want him to understand to go to the end of the leash. I don't want to just say, oh, look, he heels perfectly. He has very little experience on the leash, but I want to create, a balance of experiences, not where he never pulls and so he doesn't know what that involves. Andre. Turn him with that pager. Andre. And that worked out because he turned the way I wanted him to turn. If he would have kind of flipped around, and that wouldn't have been good. Because then you can kind of cause something to happen that you don't want. Andre. I'm ready to start adding that time. And Victoria, we have to microchip Andre. Somehow his microchip